Hey people, that's what after long I'm recording in the morning, as in morning as in 9:30 in the morning, like office hours type. But it just feels good to record. Normally it's at 11 and afternoon or whatever. So it's today's in the morning, and there is this show on Netflix called Inside the Mind. Killer Inside the Mind of Aaron Hernandez. Now, Hernandez was an NFL football player, and who was accused of murder, as in he like the India equivalent of the Jessica Lal murder case, where a random shootout had happened at a nightclub, just outside a nightclub, as in Aaron Hernandez is said to have shot at two people and then just driven away. And he went on to play, I think, 2 seasons of that football NFL, National Football or whatever league or something, that NFL. It's one of the most. It's like what cricket is to India, football, soccer, whatever is to the states. And so this gentleman, when he was gentleman, as in when you watch the series, he finally committed suicide at the age of 27. But you know that it's a 3 episode series of it on Netflix, is about how I had no idea about this, that constant butting of heads that happens during their game. I mean, football, or it's a soccer or whatever, it's a very rough game. They wear those big shoulder pads, if you were to see it, that all American football, that thing. So constant butting of heads causes some sort of concussion in the brain, such that they stop thinking rationally. And after his death by suicide, when they did autopsy, they found that his brain was in fact in a very advanced stage of that brain disease. So it is which kind of stops rational thought. So no, because this man, 27-year-old, he was a star football player, but in the end, he's said to have committed 4 murders for the silliest of reasons. For the those 2 people he murdered outside the nightclub, apparently they had spilled some drink on him, and he was so angry and irritated that once they stepped out of the thing and he saw them in an adjoining car, he took out his gun and shot them. So it's as weird as that. And then the other 2 people, he was accused of, I think, 4 murders in all. Four, as in 3 people died, one survived. And that's what the other 2 people were. They indirectly got to know of these murders. So one of him was teasing him about it, or so then he shot that friend also at point blank range, except that friend was like a gangster himself. So he survived that attack, but he had that gangster had decided to plot revenge. And it's, you watch the 3 episode series, yeah, Netflix. I rarely ever speak for like 3 minutes, more than 3 minutes, but you'll try and catch it. It will open your mind to the kind of things that happen in the universe. I mean, when we are sitting in our own little city, own little world, we are hardly aware of all these things, right? Football and consequences and things. So do try and catch it, people. It's called Killer Inside the Mind of Aaron Hernandez. So, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, this is a 4 minute video. I rarely do such a long video, but this, I felt, was a very interesting series that we all can probably learn something from. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Learn something from, as in, at the end of the series, you suddenly realize that one shouldn't really be too judgmental of people, because sometimes it is a sort of some kind of brain disease that they got because they were so sincere in practicing as to be a football player. So it's, my god. So that's what this whole episode, like, now I will not encourage my son to be a part of these any rough sports are not worth it. So when you watch the series, you realize it. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.